Hi, my name is Angie Hayden. I'm here to give my personal testimony about the Fashion Startup Intensive online course offered by Fashion Angel Warrior. I am a very satisfied consumer of this product, and I would urge you, whether you've got industry experience like I do and we're looking to fill in some gaps and brush off some dust from having not been in the industry for a bit, or if you're a newbie. Either way, the curriculum is set up in such a way that it's chronological order from what you should do from day one, progressing upward. So if you're somebody like me that had already done a bunch of things in their business before coming across Christine and Fashion Angel Warrior, you can jump in wherever it best suits you if you choose to do that. And that's actually what I did. I jumped in on the intelligent Instagram and social media because I was totally new to that, and I was like floundering and spending so much time and just hated it. So that was very helpful to me. But now I'm going back to the beginning so I could do the curriculum straight through in order. And I'm just trying to show you here. You can see this thick sheaf of papers that I've printed off. This is just the first 3 chapters of the curriculum. So you get so much content, and it's solid content. It's not that fluff that you see on the internet where people are like, oh, learn how to start a fashion business. It's not like that at all. This is like really good industry information. There are worksheets. There are reference sheets. There are your homework, of course. But there's much more reference sheets and things that you can go back to and just have as a library, and things that you can use for the life of your business. And of course, you also have it in electronic form, but it's easier. I mean, I started off trying to do the classes, just not having the worksheets printed out, but Christine advises you to print them out. And I see why, because some of the stuff you've got to think about. And for me, I mean, it's easier to have the visual right there in front of me as opposed to trying to look at something on a screen. And some things you do need to fill in the blank. So I would just urge everybody to get this if you can. You're not going to regret it. And there's an easy pay option where you can, I certainly took advantage of that because my budget is stretched to the limit. So that helped tremendously. And then you could move on to other things Fashion Angel Warrior offers, like the manufacturing tours, which are awesome. I was fortunate to go on the last one that Fashion Angel Warrior had for LA. I think that was the last one that they had before COVID shut everything down. And I'm registered to go on her virtual manufacturing tour that's coming up. So I'm excited for that. But getting back to the Fashion Startup Intensive course, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose by getting this. So don't hesitate. Another moment more. Look at your budget. Move some things around if you need to and make room for this and get this, because it's going to be your bedrock, and it will guide you through so that you don't make those mistakes and you can avoid some of the pitfalls if you haven't already fallen into some of those pits like I have, but it'll help you climb out of those pits if you have, so you can remediate some things.